जय श्रीमन्नारायण 180th नामं फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामं। ओम श्रीमते नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, you are constantly courted by all glories. Your divine form, the divine body, is glowing with so many beautiful ornaments. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Srimate Namaha. Om Srimate Namaha. While visualizing the divine, beautiful, glorified form of Srimannarayana within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. From Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Dasaratha Maharaju, while coming back to Ayodhya after sending off Ramachandra Swami, he is remembering Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, everyone, and also saying that, oh my dear Sita, how much of trouble you must be going through in that dense forest. You must be getting so much scared out of all the screamings of the cruel animals. Like that he is remembering Sita, and now again started shouting at Kaikeyi, "Oh Kaikeyi, I do not think that I would be alive without my Rama. Definitely I am going to be gone. Now you are going to become widow. Being widow, you can enjoy this kingdom." Like that, Dasaratha Maharaju, crying a lot, coming back to the Ayodhya. While he is entering into Ayodhya, he is completely wetted with sweat. He is drowned in the sweat. With that kind of sweated body, Dasaratha Maharaju, while some people are following him, he is now entering into Ayodhya. He do not see anyone even in the main streets. He do not see any of the shops are open. All the shops are closed. All the temples are closed. Everybody is crying. While looking at all those things, very depressive things, Dasaratha Maharaju, while thinking about Rama, while crying a lot, as and how so the sun gets into the clouds, Vilapan Pravisadraja Gruham Surya Ivambudam. Like that, Dasaratha Maharaju entered into his palace, but without having Sita, Rama, Lakshmana, Dasaratha Maharaju could not bear that, could not be living in that, unable to live in that house, in that palace. Gadgada Shabdastu Vilapan Manujadhipaha. His heart became so heavy and his throat became so dry. With that kind of condition, he is crying and calling on people, saying that, I cannot live in this palace. Please help me. Please someone take me to Kausalya's palace. Nahi, अन्यत्र मम आश्वासो हृदयस्य भविष्यति. Nowhere I will be able to live with peace of mind. Please take me to Kausalya's palace. When he started announcing like that, some of the Dwarapalakas, gatekeepers, came and slowly, respectfully took Dasaratha Maharaju and left inside the Kausalya Mata's palace. There he is again started recalling Putradvaya Vihinancha Snushayapi Vivarjitam. There is no Sita, there is no Rama, there is no Lakshmana. This is all looking like as and how when there is no moon in the sky. That is how Dasaratha Maharaju feeling about everything. He slept on the bed, but his mind is so much going here and there and so much of restlessness. Dasaratha Maharaju feeling with that kind of depression, anxiety and the grief, restlessness. Suddenly he started crying loudly, Uchaisvarena Chukrosa Ha Raghava. Like that, oh Rama, you left me alone here. Oh Rama, I cannot be alive without you. Oh Rama, I do not know whether I would be alive until you come back. It would be very, very fortune for me to be alive until you come back and give you a big hug. Oh Rama, like that, while recalling all these things with all these kind of feelings, Dasaratha Maharaju crying a lot. What is going to happen next, we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 19th Shloka. Mahabuddhihi Mahaviryo Mahashaktihi Mahadyutihi Anirdesya Vapuhu Sriman Ameyatma Mahadridhrut Om. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all the devotees. Today we are going to be posting one new video which title will be like this: Modi ji is Ayodhya only yours. With that title there will be a video will be sent to you all and also will be posted in our YouTube channel. I request all of you to listen to what I said in that and participate in that program. In earlier videos I told you all that we are going to be distributing our divine eternal wealth. That is what it is. So you watch that, you do as and how I said in that, and you get your wealth, you get your eternal strength, you get your divine weapon. And also I request all of you to make it viral as much as possible. Being listeners of this Ramayana and Vishnu Sahasranamam, let us act like a soldiers, let us act like a divine army and take this Sanatana Dharma to each and every person in this entire world. Please send it and pass this video as much as possible to all your contacts and as soon as possible. And we all have to get ready for Ayodhya, that is on 5th August. Please make it. Om Srimate Namaha. Om Srimate Namaha. Om Srimate Namaha.